Hello, I am Dr. Moushmi Pal, faculty member of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Sonarpur, Karbala. Today I am going to talk about tourism demand. Demand means the quantity of goods and services which consumers have the willingness and ability to purchase in a market at a given time and specified price. Tourism demand is an effective desire of a tourist or a visitor to undertake a short or long vacation in a given time period at different prices. Now, the types of demand. Demand is classified as individual demand and market demand. Individual demand indicates the quantum of demand for a particular commodity by a particular consumer in a range of prices, whereas market demand is the sum of demand of commodities by the consumers at various prices in a certain period of time. Now we have to discuss about the factors affecting demand. Demand is the function of price of commodity, price of related commodities, income of the consumer, tastes and preferences of the consumer, size and composition of the population, distribution of income, and expected change in price. Now, the price of commodity. Price is an important factor affecting demand for the commodity. It is generally understood that demand for the commodity increases with the fall in price and vice versa. It may not happen if other things do not remain the same. Price of related commodities. Change in the price of substitute commodities affects the demand for other commodities. For example, increase in the price of fresh juice may increase the demand for canned juice. In same way, change in the price of complementary goods also changes the demand of the commodity. An increase in the price of fuel discourages the demand for hiring a taxi. Income of the consumer. Demand for goods is directly related to the income of the tourist. If income increases, the demand for the commodities may also go up and vice versa. Rise in income stimulates purchasing power. For example, the rising income of middle class families in India has resulted in rise in demand for weekend holidays and dining out. Taste and preferences of the consumer. Taste and preferences of the consumer is another important demand determinant because clients or consumer prefer to consume only those commodities which meet their taste. Demand for the goods is affected by habits, fashions, likes and dislikes of consumers. For example, urban dwellers have a higher degree of preference for holidaying than the rural population because of their tastes and lifestyles coupled with ability to pay for the holidays. Size and composition of the population. The size and composition of the population plays a very significant role in the determination of demand. The demand for commodities increases in a largely populated place. A rising population results in demand for both essential and luxury items, while a dwindling population results in lesser demand for commodities. For instance, the demand for package tours is directly related to the income of various groups of the population in cities or towns. The population in cities and towns is segmented based on age, sex, education, occupation, religion, income, region, areas and literacy. Each group has different needs and wants, and tour operators should design tour packages to fulfill the needs and wants of potential buyers. Therefore, the demand for different tourism products and services depends upon the composition of the population. Distribution of income. Distribution of income is a major demand determinant. The aggregate national income is distributed among various groups and subgroups of the population. Uneven distribution of income distributes people into affluent and poor. The affluent segment may demand for luxury package holidays, whereas the poor segment may arrange their own religious tours. Expected change in price. Expectation of change in price is the projected price of the commodity in future. It is understood that if the price of any commodity is expected to rise in the future, it may decrease the demand for the particular commodity and vice versa. For example, due to recession, tourists who had planned to visit Kerala for vacations either postponed or cancelled their trip. MICE tourism was also affected that as recession took its toll on IT companies and multinational firms. Information technology firms cut down on travel expenses to reconsider hotel stays. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, likes and comments.